6 minus 6 equals 0, then, inside the parentheses, 3 minus 3 also equals 0, finally, 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow the order of operations, which is one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then, we calculate exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. When an expression contains both addition and subtraction, we solve them from left to right. Now that we understand the order of operations, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video, but before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The expression is 6 minus 6 times open parenthesis 3 minus 3 close parenthesis. In this expression, there is one subtraction, one multiplication, and one pair of parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there is another subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in this expression, we must first calculate the expression inside the parentheses. 3 minus 3 equals 0, and the expression becomes 6 minus 6 multiplied by 0. Now, we have a subtraction and a multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first, and then, we do the subtraction. 6 times 0 equals 0, finally, 6 minus 0 equals 6, which is our final and correct answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.